This is Ryan Watson with Ryan Watson Films, and I wanted to tell everybody about the recent San Francisco video that I just posted and the backstory behind it. So before I get started, I just want to give a quick shout out to the Getaway Guru, amazing YouTube channel for killer deals on travel. He's a close friend of mine. His name's Larry Gelwicks, and he's had an amazing career in the travel industry. So he knows the ins and outs, and he started a YouTube channel called the Getaway Guru, and the deals are seriously unparalleled. So check that out. I'll put a link in the description. But anyways, back to San Francisco. So our two friends, Aaron and Lily, they asked my wife and I if we wanted to go on a trip together. And of course, we were down. We love going on trips, and going on trips with like friends is even better. And so we decided to go to San Francisco because Lily is in love with San Francisco. She loves going there, and she's been there a bunch of times. And I was there when I was a little kid, but I don't remember anything from it. And my wife Jaden, she has never been there. So we were both really excited. This is when we were working in California, so we were able to just drive up. And then Aaron and Lily actually had to fly over from Arizona. So we met up there. Quick tip to San Francisco, number one, do not rent a car. I repeat, do not rent a car. We were about to fall into this trap because you can find killer deals on rental cars depending on where you go and if you know kind of the right alleys to go through. But we thought it through just enough to be able to make a good decision, because San Francisco, where you're going to go to visit, is in the middle of like the city. So parking and traffic is crazy. So at the hotel we were staying at, just to park the car there was $60 a night. And then, driving around all day, you're going to have to park, in different areas that are super expensive also. Plus the traffic, you can't get out and move around as freely. So we decided to take public transportation, and it was way more fun because you get to like walk around the streets of San Francisco, really get a feel for it. It's really not that hard to get around there. It's when you're in downtown San Francisco, everything's like fairly close. We got bikes and we biked across the Golden Gate Bridge, and we still got to do all the really cool things: Fisherman's Wharf, the Pier, Alcatraz, all the really cool things. Like Chinatown was another one that was a blast. But yeah, while you're watching the video, be grateful for the drone shots that I have, because I almost lost my drone twice. And it's because the winds from the Golden Gate Bridge, that whole area, the bay, the winds are crazy right at the bridge. And I wanted to get some amazing drone shots, and the wind just took my drone so far. So when you look at those shots, just know if they're ones of the Golden Gate Bridge, I almost lost my drone twice, and it was like, they were pretty bad, honestly. Like, there was times I thought, all right, it's gone. They're never gonna have that drone ever again. So yeah, check it out. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully it sparks some interest in going to San Francisco and maybe some things that you might want to do. But anyways, till next time, I will see y'all later.